Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Fathul Jannah. In this video, I will explain the material about the system of two variable linear equation. Enjoy this learning video, guys. Good, up here first discussion about the SPLDV material. The material that will be discussed today is 1. Definition of a two-variable linear equation system. 2. Things related to the two-variable linear equation system. 3. Method of solving a two-variable linear equation system. 4. Solving a system of two-variable linear equation in everyday life or contextual. 1. Definition of a two-variable linear equation system. What is a system of two-variable linear equation? Does anyone know what a two different linear equation system is? 1. Definition of a two-variable linear equation system. A system of two-variable linear equation is a system of equation or form of relationship equal to an algebraic form that has two variables and rank 1, and if depicted in a graph, it will form a straight line, and because of this, it is called a linear equation. The general form of the system of linear equation of two variables in x and y are ex plus by equals c, or a index 1 multiplied x plus b index 1 multiplied by y equal c index 1. 2. Things related to the two variable linear equation system. 1. A tribe. A tribe is a part of an algebra consisting of variables, coefficients, and constants. Each tribe is separated by punctuation, summation, or subtraction. Example: 2x minus y plus 4. So the tribes of the equation are 2x minus y and 4. 2. Variable is variable or substitute for a number that is usually denoted by letters such as x and y. Example: Fathul has 2 discards of mango and 5 orange. If written in the form of a name is mango equals x and orange equals y, the equation is 2x plus 5y, where x and y are variables and x are variables 2 and y are variables 5. 3. Coefficient. Coefficient, a number that states the number of similar variables. Coefficients are also called numbers that are in front of variables, because the writing of a coefficient equation is in front of the variable. Example: Fathul has 2 discards of mango and 5 orange. If written in the form of a name is mango equals x and orange equals y, the equation is 2x plus 5y, where 2 and 5 are coefficient and 2 are coefficient Cx and 5 are coefficient y. For constants. Constants is number that are not followed by variables. Then the value is fixed or constant for whatever the changer value. Example, 2x plus 5y plus 14. From the equation, the constant is 14 because 14 value are fixed and have no effect on any variable. 3. Method of solving a two-variable linear equation system. There are 3 methods for solving a system of two-variable linear equation, namely 1. Substitution method, 2. Elimination method, 3. Graph method. 1. Substitution method. 1. Substitution method determine the completion of the SPLDV x plus y equals 4 and x minus 2y equals minus 2. Substitution method answer x plus y equals 4 becomes x equals 4 minus y. Y substitute at x minus 2y equals minus 2 will be obtained. X minus 2y equals minus 2. 4 minus y in bracket minus 2y equals minus 2. 4 minus 3y equals minus 2 become minus 3y equals minus 2 minus 4 becomes y equals minus 6 over minus 3 equals 2. Next, for y equals 2 is substitute in one of the equation. For example, to the equation x plus y equals 4, then obtain it. X plus y equals 4 becomes x plus 2 equals 4 and x equals 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2. 2. Elimination method. 2. Elimination method determine the completion of SPLDV x plus y equals 4 and x minus 2y equals minus 2. Elimination method answer eliminate the change x. X plus y equals 4 minus x minus 2y equals minus 2 becomes 3y equals 6 and y equals 2. Eliminate the y changer. X plus y equals 4 multiplied by 2 becomes 2x plus 2y equals 8 and x minus 2y equals minus 2 multiplied by 1 becomes x minus 2y equals minus 2 becomes 2x plus 2y equals 8 minus x minus 2y equals minus 2 become 3x minus equals 6 becomes x equals 2. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2. 3. Graph method. 3. Graph method determine the completion of the SPLDV x plus y y equals 4 and x minus 2y equals minus 2. Third method, x plus y equals 4. We see from the table if y equals 0, then it is obtained. X, y in bracket equals 0 and 4 in bracket, and if y we equal 0, then obtained x and y in bracket equals 4 and 0 in bracket, and x minus 2y equals minus 2. We see from the table if we equal 0, then it is obtained x and y in bracket equals 0 and 1 in bracket, and if y we equal 0, then obtained x and y in bracket equals minus 2 and 0 in bracket. Then you will get a graph like the following. From the graph, it looks like the two charts intersect at 2, 2 in bracket. The coordinates of the cut point 2, 2 in bracket are the solution. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2. Solving a system of two variable linear equation in everyday life are contextual. A parking attendant gets 17,000 rupiah from 3 cars and 5 motorcycles, while from 4 cars and 2 motorcycles he gets 18,000 rupiah. If there are 20 cars and 30 motorcycles, a lot of parking money earned is. Answer: suppose car equals x and motor equals y. Asked 20x plus 30y equals. Answer: 3x plus 5y equals 17,000 equality 1, and 4x plus 2y equals 18,000 equality 2. Elimination of equation 1 and 2 is obtained. 3x plus 5y equals 17,000 multiplied by 4 becomes 12x plus 20y equals 68,000, and 4x plus 2y equals 18,000 multiplied by 3 becomes 12x plus 6y equals 54,000. Becomes 12x plus 20y equals 68,000 minus 12x plus 6y equals 54,000 becomes 14y equals 14,000 becomes y equals 14,000 over 14 becomes y equals 1,000. Substitution of value y equals 1,000 to one of the equation. 3x plus 5y equals 17,000 become 3x plus 5 1,000 in bracket equals 17,000 becomes 3x plus 5,000 equals 17,000 becomes 3x equals 17,000 minus 5,000 becomes 3x equals 12,000 becomes x equals 12,000 over 3 becomes x equals 4,000. So a parking fee one car 4,000 rupiah and one motorcycle 1,000 rupiah. The conclusion we have come to this SPLDV material are one, a system of two variable linear equation is a system of equation or form of relationship equal to in algebraic form that has two variable and rank 1, and if depicted in a graph it will form a straight line, and because of this it is called a linear equation. 2. There are three methods for solving a system of two variable linear equation, namely 1. Substitution method, 2. Elimination method, and 3. Graph method. Up here I use it to say thank you. Hopefully this learning video can help you learn about the two variable and hopefully usable system of linear equation. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.